안녕하세요, 박 선생님입니다. So in this video, I'm going to review 모음. Okay, moum are vowels, and we're looking at the basic ones, not compound or complex ones yet. Okay, and I'm very sorry if the lesson on yin and yang for moum was confusing to you, because that's just the way teachers generally teach moum in the Korean class, and since it didn't work out for you, I decided to have my own ways and create my own methods to teach moum. Okay, so let's start with E. Okay, E. If you're putting in the syllable blocks, E looks like this. Okay, now just say E on your own. You will notice that your voice tone is getting higher. So imagine E in terms of the arrow symbols, it will be going up, right? And from the concept of yin and yang, if you remember, this is a symbol of a person standing up. So just remember this part from yin and yang, because I'm going to use it a lot for other vowels, okay? So let's move on to ah. Ah. Again, syllable blocks. The format is right up on the top, okay? Now, you're standing up right here, okay? And try saying ah on your own. You will notice that the air is going out. Out this way, okay? So, when you make this sound, you tend to make it in general because you understand what's going on and you're expressing your confidence, as in, ah, I see, right? So for the ah symbol right here, just imagine that the short line is the arrow going onto the right, and that indicates the air going out as you say, ah, I see, right? So that ah sound is already built in ah. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. We have all, and that's the format in syllable blocks, right? And my way, I want you to think about this part standing up. Okay, so you're standing up right here and try making all sound on your own. You'll notice that the air is going in instead of going out. Okay, and imagine when you will say it in social situations, all tends to be the sound of hesitation, guys. So you make that sound when you're hesitating and taking your time to think about what you need to say next. As in, all, I don't know, right? So that all part, when you're hesitating, it sounds exactly the same as all in Korean. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Next one I have is oh, okay, oh, okay. So you will say oh when you realize or understand something, as in, oh, I get it now, right? So just imagine saying that, oh, I get it now, with 2 thumbs up. So the arrow going up represents 2 thumbs up in my way. And just imagine saying, oh, I get it now, as you're getting this O sound. Okay? Next one I have for you is ooh. Okay? Ooh. If you try saying this on your own, you will notice that your voice gets deeper. Okay? That ooh sound is actually like booing sound. When you're booing someone, right, your voice gets deeper and your tone is lower than usual. So just imagine you're making that booing sound, ooh sound, with 2 thumbs down. Okay, so that's what the arrows are for. Now, let's move on to the final one. It's ooh. Ooh. Okay, this is probably the hardest vowel to pronounce in Korean, and the easiest way you can do is having your upper and lower teeth clenched. Okay, keep it clenched and just open your mouth in the linear fashion to make some space for them. So this is the shape of the mouth you should be having when you're making the ooh sound. Okay, so the shape of the mouth and teeth exactly follow the shape of ooh vowel that's been represented here. Okay, again, that's ooh. Ooh. Now we're gonna move on to the Y sounding vowels, and those are ya, yo, yo, and you. Okay, the way you remember them is very easy because they're just adding one extra lines to the basic ones we've learned. Okay, so from right, as in I get it, you guys have ya, ya. And from all, the sound of hesitation, I don't know. Now you have yo, yo. Okay, and I get it, 2 thumbs up. That O sound, from there you have yo, yo. As in, hey yo, what's up, right? So that yo sound is the same yo here in Korean. And from the booing sound, ooh, right? Ooh. Now you have you. You, as in, how are you? Okay, that you, how are you? You is exactly same as the you in Korean. So if you know all these 8 vowels that I listed up here, you can actually remember 2 words in Korean. 우유 in Korean means milk. Okay, so that's 우유. And 여우, okay, 여우, that means fox in Korean. All right. Okay, and now you have to group the vowels based on their symbols. So it goes either vertical or horizontal. So if you look at the shapes of the vowels, the ones that are standing up, right? These are the vertical vowels. Ya, o, yo, and e. Okay, and horizontal vowels they're lying down. Okay, so they are o, yo, u, you, and e. Okay, again, the e sound, you're clenching your upper and lower teeth. Okay, and you're opening your mouth in horizontal fashion, linear fashion, so that's e. Okay, the reason we need to group the vowels is that when you are reading Hangul letters, right? You need to determine whether the vowel is vertical or horizontal in order to combine them with the consonants. Okay, so every word in Korean is made of syllable blocks. Every syllable block in Korean must have at least 1 consonant that's chaun and 1 vowel, moum. So if the vowel is vertical, the consonant is always on the left. So the one in red here is the g sound. Okay, and we have the vertical vowel like I get it, right? So that vowel up here, combine them together, you have ka. Okay, so that's g, put them together, you have ka. Okay, and for the horizontal vowels, guys, consonant is always on the top. Okay, and the vowel is always at the bottom. So you read the consonants first. This is an S sound, and then you have the O vowel, right? O, put them together, you have so. Okay, so. And you noticed, you might have noticed that I was putting the syllable blocks on the top when I was introducing the vowels. And you notice this circle thingy, okay? I have this circle because in Korean, vowels cannot stand alone, okay? So all the vowels that we've learned are freestanding vowels for now. In that case, if it's a pure vowel sound, we are adding the circle iung, okay, on the left next to the vowel, okay? Another rule you should know, in Korean, consonants cannot stand alone. So if we have a freestanding consonant sound, will be attached to the consonant. So if you're looking at ski, okay, the K-I, key part is already with the consonant, so we record it this way. But the S, the first letter starting, S, right, in ski, that's the freestanding alone consonant, so we have to put the U at the bottom. And so ski in Korean becomes ski. Okay, I hope that made some sense for you, and I'll stop the tutorial right now. Next one, I'm going to demonstrate the basic groups of the consonants and how to put them together and pronounce them. Okay, so that's going to be the next video. 감사합니다.